Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So, guys, in this video, I'm just doing an updated makeup routine. I realized that I have not done a makeup video for you guys in a while, and I just want to share things that I have changed and I know will be helpful to you watching and to your friends that you're going to share this video out to. So if you are new, please do subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. The products I used, I'm already showing them on the screen, and those that I'm not able to show, I will leave the name in the description box below. Please do check it out. If you learn a thing or two from this video, please do give this video a huge thumbs up, and please do not forget to share my video to your friends and those you know would need it. Guys, please do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section, and stay tuned, enjoy the video, and happy watching.
Town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so we must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.